Hi, I'm Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions, and today I'm going to teach you how to make fisheye text in Photoshop. First thing we're going to do is open up a new document, and then you can go to the text tool and just create any text you want. We'll say fisheye. I'm going to make this black just because. There we go. And really simply, with the text tool, highlight the fisheye. You can go up to this little T. This warps and messes with text. Go all the way down to fisheye. Click OK. Or you don't have to click OK. You can actually mess with these settings a little bit just to bulge it out a little bit more. Looks fun to me. Press OK, and that's pretty much your fisheye text. Go up to File, Save As, and resave your document. That's pretty much it. I'm Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions. Thanks for watching.